Death and carnage again today. We're down 2%, and we're going down because of high growth, not because of the stock or the company deteriorating in value. That's absolutely not true. And I know everybody hates me. I've been saying the stock's been going to do very well for a while, for a fairly decent amount of time. Stock has not done well. From 9-12, the stock has gotten annihilated, to put it frankly. And for me, we predicted an earnings be a good earnings stop price reaction. We got one of those things, and the other thing, we got the opposite. We got the earnings that we wanted to, pretty much, right? A little bit worse than what we expected, but still very good. I would say definitely better than what the most people were expecting. We just went down. We went down because of it, and investors didn't like the earnings. And the company, in my opinion, it looks great now. It looks just as good now, if not better now, than it did before the earnings. I mean, that's for sure, in my opinion. So for anyone that's holding, for anyone that's out there still holding with me and getting killed every day now, seems like, I mean, literally, it's been red for I don't know how many days it's been in a row. Seems like for a while, though. I'm still holding, and I still believe that the company is going to do great things because the tangible value of the company's only increased since we've gone down stock price and market cap wise. The company's value has only gone up. We've got 3 revenue beats in a row, and anyways, that basically, concisely to put it, I'm still holding. I'm still bullish. I'm still fucking here. I'm not leaving. All right, we're not streaming because, to be honest with you, I'm not interested in coming on the streams and getting my ass chewed out. You know what I mean? Having all these people coming in and saying, "Brandon, we didn't moon yet. What the hell?" All right, I'm still here. I'm still bullish. The stock has gone down because high growth has shit itself. That sucks. I'm still holding, though. This is a long-term investment for me. Whether or not we moon short-term or not, slightly impertinent to myself, at least. All right, now the news today, I'm going to keep it brief for you. We got 30% institutional ownership. Huge increase. I'm not freaking out about this. However, one filing I am freaking out about is this one right here. You look at this column right here. This is the portfolio allocation. This is the most important column. Easily. Usually, by and large, this is the most important thing when you look at Fintel here. I do have premium Fintel. You're welcome. 1.5%. That is very rare among the ones that you're seeing right here, of course. And that is, of course, the portfolio allocation and percentage of whatever firm's portfolio that they have in BNGO. That is 1.5%. That is huge. That is huge. You'll notice most of these guys, their portfolio allocation, but based on the portfolio allocation, the stock could go up 500% tomorrow. Their portfolio would barely react. They would not even see a budge in their value because it's not even 0.1%. It's barely anything. And these are hundreds of thousands of shares, but these guys have billions of dollars and even more than that in their portfolio, so it doesn't account for anything. These guys, as you can see, $557,000 or not dollars, shares total, and they have a call right here. That is what you want. 1.5% of the portfolio value, 1.5% portfolio allocation. That's what these guys got. These are the types of filings that we want. You don't see a lot of those. And to be frank with you, although it's great to see these guys buying 3 million shares, and these guys added and they increased their share change percentage, just increased by 6,000%. That's amazing. But look at the allocation. That's what you got to pay attention to here. So it's good. It's not great. There's not much to say there, though. Now the job listings, this one is weird. There's a lot of new job listings, 34 results. Remember, we hired 37 people in quarter 2, and the management said that's going to continue, but not quite at that pace. Quote, Field Service Engineer, South France. This job listing was posted pretty recently, 5 days ago. If we go down here, I'm pretty excited about this, because if you look at one of the primary responsibilities, perform Sapphire installations, upgrades, preventive maintenance, yada, yada. Perform Sapphire installations. That's what my mind is going to. That's what my mind is thinking. Why would they be hiring someone to perform Sapphire installations if they were not doing Sapphire installations? I think there's going to be a ton of sales this quarter. I think because of this right here, third quarter commercial release of prenatal assays and expansion of menu pediatric assays. These going out there, helping us with sales, more assays, more LDTs, reimbursements, having insurance cover Sapphire and Medicare possibly, right? These things are what's going to propel sales and propel revenue to huge numbers, and that's what's gonna force the price to go up exponentially, in my opinion, just like the company's fundamental value has done. And eventually, there is a stock. There's a company behind the stock. The stock is not the company. However, at the end of the day, when those revenue numbers come out, and when we see the management talk about what they've done, if it's good, if the company executes, the stock is going to have to follow. That's as simple as it gets, in my opinion. Make your own damn opinion. If you don't like it, if you think we're done, if you think the stock is worth nothing now, that high growth's gone down and BNGO's gone down with it, just like Nanodimension and Microvision and Gevo and everything, then it's not for you. The stock market's not for you, my friend. So I think sales are going to be looking very well, very good this quarter. Quarter 3, when the earnings report comes out, it's a while away, but I'm already feeling good because, and this actually isn't quarter 3, but just that by itself, right? We got assays coming out left and right. To top it all off, we have BNGO's PLA codes coming out. This is becoming effective in quarter 4, so we got to wait a while to see the results on those. However, it's still, these are tangible things that are increasing the company value, essentially. I mean, these things are going to make the proclivity for sales and installations to happen extremely higher. Government reimbursements and insurance coverage of Sapphire, these are the things that are going to make the sales boom. PLA codes, they become effective in October. That's going to help sales in a huge way. A couple upcoming catalysts for us, right, relatively. We've got the publication results, the interim publication, that's fourth quarter. And then you got a ton more LDTs. And then you also have, of course, I don't know why I don't have it here. Okay, here, right here. Sapphire 2.0 with a 14-fold increase in its throughput. That's coming out. The prototype is coming out in quarter 4, not the commercial release. Unfortunately, that'd be nice if it was the commercial release, right? The prototype, however, is coming out in quarter 4. And as far as the stop price in the portfolio, I'll just say, I'm not going to do a technical analysis today, but I'll just show you the portfolio and the carnage that's going on here. I'm getting killed. I'm getting absolutely annihilated, and I'm holding strong. I'm holding strong, man, and I would add more if I had any buying power, but I don't. I don't have any more buying power, and I'm holding strong. I think I'm diamond handing this shit. Diamond hands, diamond balls. It's as simple as it gets. Feel free to click out of here now, but that's the portfolio. That's what I'm holding. Down 10% in the last 5 days. That's how it's been. BNGO's been getting killed. I'm still holding. I'm still here, man. High growth can't go down perpetually. And the company that's value that continues to go up and it goes down, that's the time that you buy. You don't sell when that is happening. That's how you literally maximize your losses. In my opinion, make your own damn opinion. If you don't like me, the least you can do is don't be dogmatic in your views. Anyways, I'm just getting pissed off because there's so many comments. I'm sure you guys can imagine the comments going around when we're at 550. Just know I'm still bullish, man. I still think this is a company worth holding on to. That's my opinion. If you don't like it, fuck off. Simple as it gets. All right, thank y'all so much. Feel free to check out Newsweek. They're our sponsor, and they're linked in the description. Newsweek.com and the Newsweek YouTube channel. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.